Hello everybody, this is John from IT Skills Academy with yet another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can be able to resize the taskbar in Windows 11, as many people have been complaining that it is too big, and yet Microsoft has not yet provided an option of resizing or us being able to resize the taskbar. So of course, having said that, this means that we'll be editing a few things so that we can be able to achieve the size that we want. And by this I mean we'll be editing the registry. So if you're not comfortable with that, then you'll have to wait until Microsoft releases an option for resizing the taskbar. So if you're comfortable with this, then you can continue watching this video. So we're just going to open the registry. So by this I'm just going of course to open the search, and here I can just search for registry. So I'm just going to come and select the registry editor. So open that, and now the registry editor opens, and I need you to navigate to this specific location. So expand the HK current user. Inside it you're going to see the software. Expand that to go to the Microsoft subfolder. Then you're going to go to Windows, of course, then the current version, then and head on to the Explorer. Then within that you're going to see the advanced subfolder, and this is the current location where we are. And when you open that, you're going to see this specific option. Of course, I'm going to provide this path in the description of this video so that you can be able to easily follow along. So we are not going to touch any of these options. Of course, we're going to create our own. So I'm just going to right click and say new, and I want to come and create a new D132-bit value. So I'm just going to click on that, and you're going to see the new value has been created here. And so this one I'm going to call it taskbar SI, taskbar SI, and of course I press enter, and I have that created there. So it is in this that we'll be providing some specific values that will determine the size of the taskbar. So for the smallest one, we're going to put a value of 0. For the medium size, which is the current size of the taskbar right now, we're going to put a value of 1. And for the largest or biggest size, we're going to put the value of 2. So to be able to do that, just double click it, and of course by default it will have a value data of 0. So this 0 you said is the smallest, so we can just leave it at 0 and say OK. So as you can see, the size of the taskbar has not yet changed. This is because we need to either restart the system or restart the file explorer. So in my case, because I'm recording this video of course with a screen recorder, I cannot be able to restart the whole system. So the only option I have is to restart the file explorer. And to be able to restart the file explorer, I need to have it of course opened. So I'm going to open the file explorer, and of course after opening it, I can now head on to the task manager, and of course here you need to come and select the Windows Explorer and say restart. And as you can see, we have now the taskbar in the smallest size, but there is one downside of this, that these options here in the notification area, they look disaligned, and this is something that you can of course bear with. You can stay with it because you can still be able to see the options. You can also be able to like work with them normally, but still it doesn't show that good pictures. However, even if they are not aligned properly, this doesn't hinder you from like using them normally the way you would just use them, even if they are aligned. So it is something that still you can be able to stick with if you want, but if you're that person who is detail oriented, then maybe you might not want to have that picture there. And so in that case, then you need to come and resize these to make it normal, in which case you're going to have the value of 1, and if you want to make it even bigger, then you put a value of 2, and after doing that, after every time you put a value, you have to restart the system or restart the file explorer, and then that specific size will be applied. And basically that's how you can be able to resize the size of the taskbar in Windows 11. If it was insightful, kindly smash that subscribe button, of course, to be able to. If it was insightful, kindly subscribe to IT Skills Academy if you have not subscribed yet. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And without so much ado, see you in the next one. Bye.